Hello everyone, welcome back to ABLLMS. So till now we have covered lots of widgets of Kinder module like label widgets, frame widget, button widgets, right? So today we are going to introduce one more widget, that is click widget, click event widget, right? This is also one of the most important widgets, right? We can call it handling event. How we can handle the events. For example, if I click some buttons, I want to find out the particular position of that point, that cursors, right? This is called the handling events. Or how we can bind some. Let's suppose if I click one, I want to display that one on the screen. Okay, so basically this is also called handling events, right? So let's just start with the code. Let's jump to the coding part. So as you know, like for first you need to import from enter import start. See, this is going to be very important sessions because in the next class we are going to make a virtual calculator. In that we are going to use this as one of the important like concepts, right? Okay, so first let's create a object that is root. Okay, and let's first select this geometry. These all are the basics command we have already did lots of time. Okay, so I'm not spending too much time to explain these things, right? Again, I'll just select the title and let's keep it to the handling events, right? And then let's select the root dot configure this methods to select the background color, right? Configure, and here I'll just write background equal to whatever background you want to pass. Let's suppose I want to give green background, I can pass green, and at the end you need to write down root dot main loop, right? Let's see if I run this one. Yeah, everything is working fine. We have changed the background color, we have changed the size. So let's start our today's session, that is handling event. So what I want to do, first I'll create a button, right? So let's give the name button, or you can say b1, and here I'll call a widget button. So in the button you need to first pass down the first argument where you want to put this button. So I want to put inside a root object, and then text, like it will be the text that is display on the button. So let's see, I want to write click me please. Okay, it's funny name, right? Okay, yeah, so then we'll write one dot pack. You know that you need to pack this one, right? If I run this one, let's see either work. Yeah, so here is our button click me please, and just do one thing, let's increase the size also. I'll take pad y equal to 10. Horizontally it's fine, I'm just saying, yeah, click me please. Okay, now, okay, so let's we have created the button, and now one more thing what I want to do, as I know, I want to like I want to add this button with something, like, so I'll write b1 dot bind. See, this bind method is helpful whenever you want to bind this button with any of the other functions, right? So here what I'll do, I'll take use one inbuilt method, that is button one. See, this button one means, like, when you click the button, what will be happen. So here I'll call one function. Let's suppose here I'm giving the name of this function is click, right? If I run this one, it will throw one error. You can see here is the error, click is not defined. It means this is the functions that you will call whenever you bind this button. So I'll just make one functions with the same name click. And see, inside this function you need to pass one argument that will be compulsory, that is event, right? Now here what I'll do, first I'll write int. Here I'm writing simple uh, handling event, right? Let's see if this is working or not. If I run, if I click here, you can see it's saying handling events working fine. We have binded this one. Now what I want to do, like whenever I click this one, right? Whenever I click anywhere button, I want to just find out the value of the button, well, position of the button. So here I'll use print, okay, and here I'll give the value like this, right? I want to take the value using here f string, right? F string is whenever you want to combine string and variable together, right? In that case we can use this f string, right? So f, then you need to take, let's inverted comma, inside this you need to take this parenthesis, and now you can use the value. So what I want to do, I want to pass the value of button, so I'll write b1 dot get, so it will find out the value, right? Let's see if I run this, either it's working or not. Yeah, see, button has no attribute get. See, what I want to do, not button b1 dot get. I want to find out the value of get. See, if I want to show you, right, what I want to do, I want to find down the coordinate point, right? So here I'm using event, right? So you need to write down event dot get, because this event will automatically detect what are the event that we are going to display. That is, when I click, it will give you the value of x and y. Let's see if I run. If I right click me please. Okay, so event object has no attribute get, so I think there is some small minor error. See, I'm doing lots of coding stuff with Python, right? So sometimes it's obviously like you forget some methods, right? So let's see how we can. Okay, so simple, what I'll do, it's not get. Let's suppose I want to find out the coordinate point, x coordinate point, so I'll write x. If I run, now see, if I click here, you can see I'm getting the value 49. If I click here, the value will be different. If I click here, the value will be different. If I click here, the value will be different. If I click here, the value will. So this will give you the value of x. What I want to find out the value of x and y both, right? So here also I'll write event dot y. Now let's see if I run. If I click, yes, you are getting the value x and y. What I want to write some statement over here. Coordinate coordinate points, right? Okay, coordinate points, yeah, not here. I want to write below this one here, coordinate points, and then I want to display it like this. See, as I told you, you can pass the string and value together with the help of this statement, right? Yeah, you can see now I'm getting the value like this, right? Now it's looking good. Whenever you click, coordinate points like this one, right? So you can see this is the string, right? And in this curly braces you can pass the value, that is the variable. Hope all of you clear. Now let's add one more thing. See, if you click single, if you click singly, single click, if you do single click, you will get the value. But what I want, if I do double click, if I double click on the button, I want to exit from this code, right? So here I'll use double, right? And again I'll call this method click. Let's see if I run this. Sorry, here I don't call, I'll call one predefined method, it is exit. It means if I double click on the button, I want to exit from this. Let's see, if I double click, it's not working, right? So here I think it should be inside this, like this. You need to keep it inside the, yeah. Now let's try again. Okay, so I think there will be also double one. Okay. Yeah, if I double click, you can see you will get exit from the loop, right? So this is called handling event. There are different kind of handling event, right? Till now we have only seen two types. Like if I click on any button, it will call one functions, and the statement associated with that function, it will be displayed. And second thing, if I double click on the button, it will exit you from the GUI window, right? Hope all of you understand about this handling events widgets, right? So in the next class we are going to use these handling event in a virtual calculator project, right? So till now, bye everyone, I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.